Alright, welcome to the video tutorial on getting started with TouchRoll. This video will real quickly walk you through a few simple steps and help you get TouchRoll working in your project. It doesn't take very much time at all. Let's get started. So I'm just going to start with a brand new project to show how easy this is to get rolling. So we'll open up Unity. And I'm just going to create a brand new blank project. And then we're going to import TouchRoll. Of course, you'll want to do this in the asset store. I just have it as a file here. So we'll just go ahead and import everything. And when you import TouchRoll, of course, you'll have the TouchRoll folder. And inside there, the first thing you want to get into is this example folder. And you want to open up the example scene. So the reason you'll want to right away open this example scene for the first time, what it's going to do is it's going to add two tags to your project here. So if you look in your tag manager, now you'll see it's added an auto roll tag and a ground tag. And that's because there's objects in this scene that have those tags. And you're going to need those later, so the easiest way to get them added exactly correctly is just to open this scene up. And then, yeah, feel free, of course, if you've got your mobile device with the Unity Remote app running, then you can go ahead and hit play, and you can go ahead and play around with this scene and get a feel for what this thing can do. It's pretty fun just to play around with. Oh, this is a cool thing. TouchRoll completely supports multi-touch, so you can even get 3, 4, 5, pretty much as many objects as your platform will support, or as many touches as your platform support. You can actually grab that many objects. Yeah, that's all cool and everything, but how do you actually put it in your project? Well, that's pretty stinking easy. Let's show you how to do that. So I'll go ahead and create a blank new scene. So basically, for TouchRoll to work, you need three things in any scene. You need an object that you want to touch. So for this, we'll just create a cube. Focus in on that guy. You need an object to act as the ground. So we'll go ahead and just duplicate this cube, move this down, and then make it really big by stretching this out here. It'll give us a lot of nice, give us all kinds of room here. And then you just need an extra object to be the manager. A lot of people will stick scripts like that on the main camera, so we'll go ahead and do that. So we'll start with that. We'll just select the main camera, and we'll go up here to Component. And because we have TouchRoll now, we have a new menu here. And we're going to add the Touchy Manager by clicking that. So you just go Component, Touch, Touchy Manager with the camera selected, and it adds the Touchy Manager component. And now that that's there, it's going to handle touches for us and talk to the touchies. And what's a touchy? Well, that's what we set the object we want to touch. We just go into Component, go back to Touch, and hit Touchy. And now it has the touchy component, and you'll notice it also added a rigid body to it since it's going to need one. So it does that for you too. And the only other thing we got to do is we got to set the tag for the ground, just to tell it this is the ground, this is what we want to move across when we're touching this object. And of course, it's always good to have lighting so we can at least kind of see what's going on here. So put a little light there. And we'll get our camera in a better position. Alright, and I mean that's literally it. Now if we hit play, and you have a the Unity remote running on a device, bam, you can already grab that object, start throwing it around. You can go ahead and create some other ones, maybe add a sphere. And if you have another object, all you got to do, component, just make sure it's got a touchy. And yeah, believe it or not, I mean that is it. That's all you have to do. See if we can kind of have some fun here.